Today I will show you how to access archived emails in Gmail, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is ensure that you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, there are two ways we can do this. If you're looking for a particular archived email and you have details about that email, you can search just the email subject here, or you can go to advanced search and search for the email in details. Else, what you can do is you can come to all email, and in all mail, you're going to see all your mails starting with the archived mails first. You can see that mails that are in the inbox have the inbox label on them, and mails that are archived have no label on them. That's how you know the mails which have been archived and the ones that are in the inbox. And you can also choose to move the archived mails to your inbox. Now that's how you access your archived mails. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.